I will show you how to create this invitation card using templates. Let's get started.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
When you search for invitation, you will see these templates. Pick one of them and customize it. I'm telling you that you can create an invitation using templates because Canva provides very beautiful templates. Just pick one, edit it to your liking, and I will show you how. This is the template I'm using right now. I will provide you this template link in the description. You can change template's color by your own desire like this. First, I am going to Elements, where I will search for picture frame. Then, I will pick this element. I will adjust the picture frame in this template box, then I will add the picture. First, let me adjust it. Going to the Elements section again, I will search kids in the Elements. After that, I will choose one of the kids' pictures from them. Now, I will change the birthday girl's name in the template. I will write Julia David. You can change the name to your own preference. Like that, guys. Now, I will click on the image, then go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. After that, I will increase the size. Because of this, my image will come out of the frame, which looks so stunning. Now I will click on Edit Image and go to Adjustments. I will make some adjustments because I want my invitation card to be perfect. Yeah, it's looking good. Click on Background Image and go to Colors. I will choose this color because my picture theme or background image theme is not matching. Now it's matching with my image because the theme is the same. That's why our invitation card looks so attractive. Now I can also change the wishes text font, but remember to always write wishes in a light font. Now I will change the font color of Happy Birthday. And also birthday girl name. Let's change the direction of the flowers on the invitation card. I will also change the color of two flowers, one in the top left corner and the other in the bottom left corner. Then our design will almost become perfect. Now click on the Share button and download the file in a PNG format. Bingo! Here is our final design. If you like my video, then subscribe, like, and share my channel with others. Thank you.